Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the desktop whiteboard that I saw on Instagram. So it's just arrived and I'm going to use it to try and cut down on my post-it notes that I use. So it's meant to keep your desk clean and organised because it's got some drawers in it, dry eraser board wipes every time, and it's got a built-in phone and tablet dock. So it's called the DeskBoard Buddy desktop whiteboard, and it's basically a whiteboard, but you can store stuff in it and you can raise your iPad onto the top of the slots. So I bought the additional dry eraser markers with it. I'll put in the prices of how much the erasers cost and how much the actual unit cost in my description below. So they come with 3, which you pay additional for, 3 dry eraser markers. Now they have to be dry eraser, otherwise you won't be able to wipe them off. Now what happens is every time you buy one of these, they plant a tree, which is pretty good. So as you can see, it comes in with quite a bit of storage. So I've just taken my highlighters, pens here, managed to get them in, managed to get the actual dry erasers in, my writing pens, and I've still got quite a bit of storage. I've also put the wee eraser in at the back and the normal eraser for pencils. So I've still got a bit of space left, and you would just really just need to play around and find out what suits you, what suits you best. But I'll try and see how much I can fit into here, which turned out to be quite a bit. So I got an iPhone in there. I also got a pair of AirPods, and I also got my glasses in there for when I'm on the computer. So it is quite big. You could probably just play around and put in whatever you needed. As you can see, it sits quite well underneath my desk, underneath my iMac. And yeah, you just open it up whenever you want to do some writing. If you're studying or whatever, you can just write little notes. It's really quite handy. And as I say, because it's a whiteboard, you just either wipe it off or take a picture and on your phone and send it to your notes or whatever you can do. I've tried that as well. That's quite good. And yeah, I only got 3 colours with this, but as long as you get a dry eraser, you could probably go and get other colours elsewhere. I've not tried that yet, but I think I will give it a go, as long as you don't use a permanent marker, as it will not come off. So yeah, as long as it's dry eraser, you're basically good to go. You just write on it and it wipes off pretty clearly. So you can do different things with this board, and a couple of things I've done was write down a study plan, some notes, daily checklists. I also took some quick drawings that I needed to do. Your keyboard also sits on this, which is quite good, especially if you've got an iPad in there. That could work quite well. It's ideal for just storing all your stuff on your desk. And there we go, it sits quite neatly underneath. Thanks for watching.